Hi, in today's project I'm replacing the post in my fence. The old one was so rotted that it basically, when I was trying to pull it out, you can see it just broke at the base. Now here's the trick how to remove the post. So to remove this whole concrete post, the bottom of it, from this hole, or what you need to do is, when you have this inside, you make a hole, you dig, as you can see, from one side, and you dig underneath the post to create a void. Then what you do, you put solid 2x4, or this is my broken 4x4. Then you put your 2x4 underneath, and you basically use the leverage to move it up, and basically I was rolling until I basically got it over there. If you have another person to help, it really does help a lot. I did it by myself, took me probably a good 15-20 minutes of work. So that's the easiest way to get the bottom of the cemented post out of the ground. Since my old post is gone, now I removed this part of the fence. Now all you have to do is dig the hole, make sure that it's at least 2 feet down, so the new post is gonna be submerged in the concrete 2 feet under the level. And I put some extra help lines right here, so when I'm gonna be leveling my post, I'm gonna know where the post is supposed to be located. Now I can see that my post is in good position. It's a little bit too low, but I'm gonna put something underneath, and now it's gonna be time to just fill it with the concrete. Now the next step is to make sure your post is totally straight, so you can clamp one piece of wood on top, one on the bottom, put two on both sides. Once you level everything, now we're ready to put a concrete inside of the hole. Now I've mixed my concrete with a fast setting. In half an hour it should set in, and we'll see if this is gonna be enough. This is my 50 pound, and I have some leftovers from my last job. Okay, so now I'm gonna start carefully throwing that on the bottom and packing it down to make sure that concrete is equally distributed and all around the post. Okay. I may need a little bit more cement, looks like it. Pack it, and I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay. I've decided to put a little bit more concrete inside because it's a little bit too shallow out of 150 pound bag. So I cut the cardboard box to have the concrete poured in right inside to build it up a little bit higher, because my hole is a little bit too big. I don't want it to go too wide. As you can see, this cardboard color works perfectly. It holds my concrete in place, building it up instead of spreading out, and everything looks great. While you're filling this up, you need to put the dirt down so it holds the walls, otherwise it will spill out. And now I have my concrete up to here, which is perfectly 2 feet. That's the level what I wanted. So this is how you replace the post on old fence. It takes few hours to do it, and it's good to have a help. And now all I have to do is just wait for the concrete to harden, and then within a couple of hours I can put all the dirt and pack it down. And then the last step is gonna be just to put my boards back, and that's gonna be the end of the project. For the next project I'll have to modify my fence, make sure that it's gonna be working properly. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.